this lesson, we're going to look at how checking conversation messages can be done in detail. We're going to look at how to access that information directly from the conversations inbox. Let's dive into the screen share. Okay, so I've gone back to the conversations inbox and I'm hovering over a recent conversation and I'm hovering over 3 dots. When you hover over the 3 dots, you get a details panel. The details panel then gives you some additional information. If you're a developer, seeing a message ID is critical to troubleshooting using the API. Of course, it's then going to show you some raw information. You know, the direction of it, was it an inbound versus outbound. Okay, and then also what time and according to my time zone was it sent. You can do this across different types of messages, be it email or SMS. The 3 dots also gives you the option to reply, and different options will give you slightly different information. For example, there's slightly different information from an email message than is a SMS. So this is it. This is how you look at conversation details in more detail. I'll see you in the next lesson.